When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me. Never been the one get RP up on a whitey. Keep my hands clean, got some hitters moving shicey.
Hey pretties, welcome back to my channel. So I woke up early for you guys so I can show you guys how I curl my hair, because you guys been asking me. Like, I didn't know that you guys were gonna ask me how I do this, but I'm gonna show you guys. So I use this Remington, I think that's how you say it, Remington wand, curling wand. I got this like 3 years ago when I was in 6th grade. So actually that's more than 3 years ago. I used to know your math. 6th grade, so 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 years ago. I'm in 10th grade now and I got it in 6th grade. That should have been easy math. It's just pink. It doesn't say Remington anymore because it's so old, but it says Remington right here. You can kind of see, you kind of can't, but whatever. It's a pink wand. I don't know what's the inches, but if you guys could just see off of it, I guess. And it has like this little part right here, a different measurements. It goes all the way up to 30 and I use 30, and it heats up pretty like super fast, honestly, which I love. I didn't even glue my wig down yet, but I'm gonna glue it down after I curl it. I don't care. I know what I'm wearing today, so that's perfect. I already took my shower and everything. Brush it out real quick. And also, I want to let you guys know I don't add any products to my hair when I be curling, like no spray or nothing. I only add stuff after, and the only thing I add is got to be spray so the curls could stay. I want a company to sponsor me with 30 inches. I know I keep saying that, but like I'm so serious. So I split it off into 2 sections. I don't take big sections, but I don't take such little sections either. I take like this much of a section, honestly. I just take the wand and I just wrap it around it, and I just bring it up like this. Honestly, there's no professional way. I just do it the way I was taught. Oh gosh, I don't even count. I just like do like that. It's self-explanatory, honestly. It's so simple. And then it should come out like this, but the bottom looks bad, obviously. Alright guys, so I did one. I don't know what's wrong with the bottom. The bottom's just looking crazy. Took another section. And I use my nail to like help like keep the hair in place, because sometimes the hair will slide off to like the end of the wand, and that's mad annoying because you want to get all the hair like on the silver part or whatever color your wand is, because you want it to be able to curl. And if all the hair is at the bottom, it's like there's no space for the rest of your hair. Oh, see guys, this one looks way better. But I do like thick curls like this, so. Yo, this one black spot on my face makes me look so ugly. I'm pretty sure you guys get the gist by now. It was really simple, so I'm just gonna like fast forward through these. Alright guys, so one side is complete, as you guys could see. Now I'm gonna spray where my got to be. That's it. I'll come back when the other side is done because you guys get the gist. See guys, this is a finished result of my hair. I forgot to show you guys it. I'm sorry, because I really had to leave for school. I was gonna be late. So this is the aftermath from the whole day, and you can't really see it. It's there. Let me see. Listen, just know it's there, okay? It's there. It's pretty. It's still there. It's looser now, obviously, but that's the look I really wanted. So, but yeah, guys, I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Ow, love you guys so much. Bye, pretties.
Girl, you could get smashed up, dirty ass, baby girl, you need to back up. It's your mind.